SysAdmin, System Administrator, Lifesaver. You're the one who keeps the office afloat. You're the one who saves your coworkers from drowning in a sea of authentication issues. You've taken an oath of responsibility to give the people what they need, even if it's not quite what they deserve. As they sink beneath the water, you reach down a hand and pull them up, and then perform CPR, which is often uncomfortable but necessary. And this metaphor is losing traction. Sometimes you have to blow your whistle and yell at the kids running on the side of the pool. Sometimes you have to be a jerk. But it's for the good of the office. We're here to let you know that we appreciate you. Here, we realize that without a lifeguard, a beach can be a dangerous and chaotic place. And on this beach, we try to keep things... trying way too hard on these metaphors. Happy SysAdmin Day from PDQ.com. Thanks for being the lifesaver of your office.